Welcome to Printer Care 101 on the Versa Object MO240-180 on wiper cleaner replacement. Start by taking a look at the control panel and selecting the bell icon on the right hand side. This will show you a list of maintenance items that need to be performed. Wiper cleaner replacement is right on top, so select that and then hit execute. Please be sure to wear safety equipment as you will be dealing with waste ink. Hit OK. And the vacuum table will slide down and back, and the print head will slide to the left to give you access to the sponges. After this is completed, it will instruct you to open the maintenance covers, touch the frame to eliminate any static electricity before performing any work. Following the instructions, remove the flushing cover and the cleaner cover to remove the old sponge. The flushing cover can be seen here and has a hook on it to remove it. You can use tweezers to remove the cleaner cover, or you can just use your hand as I did here. Use your tweezers to remove the old sponge, and be careful because it is full of waste ink, before sliding in the new one and then replacing the covers. And from here I am using the tweezers. There are 2 plastic pins to hold it in place. So release it from there, and then you should be able to lift and pull out the wiper cleaner. And there you see it removed. Here it is from a different angle using the tweezers, and see how it is fairly long and actually curves down deeper into the machine. And take your new wiper cleaner and slide the slotted end down into the machine. And then line up the 2 plastic pins with the holes and put the cleaner cover into place. And then close the flushing cover. And hit finish all. Everything will slide back into place, and you have successfully completed your cleaner replacement. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.